Okay, everybody, we not gonna eat at this moment. I just want to give you a treat of what I started. The last few months, I said, you know what? I'm gonna get back into an old hobby of mine, back into my RC cars, electric and nitro. So what I needed was me a toolbox setup. So I went to Walmart and I bought this combo right here. In case you want to get one yourself, I got it from Walmart, 30 bucks. Anyway, I just want to give you a quick pick of what I designed for this. So here's my truck. This is my truck without the body. Okay, so my remote truck, the body actually fits in this bottom section here. So what I did was, there's two sections, top, bottom, put them together, and it's on wheels. Lock into place. So I want to carry my car around. What I did was I took this section here, put my car on here, and I bought some mini bungee cords. So basically, just wrap the cord around, put it in the hole. Real simple. In case anyone else wants to take my idea, I just put it in the hole. You know, just the hard part is finding the hole. It's the only hard drawback about it. Put this here, put it in the hole. There you have it. Now I can carry my car with all of its tools. I still can open the top if I need be. You know, I got some little bit of tools and stuff in here. My electronics and stuff inside here. And there's a battery, extra battery in there. And little tools that I put together. So whenever I want to go out to the track, all I gotta do, raise this handle up. All right, baby, I'll see you in a couple hours.
Okay, babe.
I'm going to play. Never grow up. You're always a kid. Okay, so this is my Bowie that I just upgraded. And this is the first run. Ready?
Yep. Whoa.